one thing that you can do to help your practice is just at the beginning of your practice, without even really trying to get the move, just drill 20 times around with each hand individually, and as a warm-up, do your Pilates. That's it. Just that whole thing will only take you like a minute or two to get it done, and then it'll really help over time if you're doing it every time you practice. So if you're doing the overhand 4 petal anti-spin, then you do reverse with the arms like this. And if you're doing underhands, you go forward, right? Because you do the opposite. Like remember, okay, if I'm doing anti-spin, so just look at my arms. This is a 4 petal overhand, but notice my arm is going like this around. 3 rotations creates the 4 petal anti-spin. So it hits the bottom of the turn in the front, not at the top, in the back and the bottom. Front, not in the top, back and bottom. So the way you're creating the anti-spin is in one rotation of the poi, you're going front, up and over and back behind. Front, up and over, back behind. Front, up and over, back behind. Front, up and over, back behind. And I should do this with my worst hand, which for this move, turns out is my right hand, which is shocking, but it's because of all the hybrids I do, I discovered recently. My right hand, I ended up having it droopy down here. So don't do what I do. Keep it up high. You're doing this. You're going front, pedal, top, rotation at the top, then back, then bottom. So you're doing 1, then this, then this, then this. What you want to do is this and this. It's just a little faster through the top position, so that as you're coming to the bottom of the turn, open your hip to the back so that your hand goes to that back position. And remember to keep it at shoulder height so that it doesn't droop. Put it in the front and then go 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over. And then it's back behind you. And then bottom, front, 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over. And then bottom, front. Yeah, so I mean the problem is I haven't yet seen you do this bump, 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 where you go from the front to the back. And you know how it has that elliptical pedal in there? That's what you're shooting for. So the hand path is something like this. You're here like this. You sort of bend a little so that you can pump it up, then you pull it, and then you curve the arm so you can push it back behind like that. And make sure you open your palm out as you're going to the back. Yes, so slight bend, straight, slight bend, back. And remember when it's back, not here, but here. Remember when you do the slight bend, it's slight bend, then pump up, then slight bend and pump back. It's really fast. Personally, I think the best exercise to do to really get yourself getting the move is to do the 2 positions at a time. So front to back to front to back to front to back to front to back to front. Then try and do 4 at a time, like all 4 pedals at a time.